find a comfortable position. This is what you hear at the beginning of quite each meditation. But what does that mean? I mean, what means comfortable for you, only you? Each one of us has its own definition, but oftentimes we don't put much awareness to how we feel in our body when we start to meditate. Actually, there is no right position. First thing is to allow yourself to completely be at ease with yourself. That is the way you can understand better your blueprint, your physical blueprint and your mental blueprint. Paying attention to what makes you feel at ease in a subtle way is such a great teaching to learn how to bring more awareness in all the aspects of your life. So, in this meditation, I would like to invite you to reconnect to your biggest sense of ease and to discover how it can be a place from which you can really, truly expand, blossom, reveal yourself. Far from all the injunctions that tell you that you should sit, stand, like this or that. Not only in meditation, but in all situations of life, your comfort is your place of freedom. So just allow yourself the time to find what feels good to you. And let's begin to play with the contrast. Contrast is a powerful tool and a somatic experience to inform our mind that our body feels this way or another, and it allows us to adjust in a subtle way our position, our attitude, our behavior, and everything that arises from our consciousness and express itself in the world. So whichever position you are taking right now, just move a little bit in another way. So maybe you can stretch yourself in another direction that brings you out of your natural axis. Or maybe you can just move or sit more straight. Just a tiny thing that would lead you to feel, there's a difference right now here. I like it or not, but I feel it's uncomfortable, but I can be with that. And now, from this position, I can allow myself to go back to what is naturally comfortable for me with a bigger allowance to what is important. So maybe you can completely lie down on the floor. Maybe you can give yourself a hug. Do whatever you want that really feels like yourself. Maybe you're sitting. Maybe you're lying down. Maybe you're moving. Maybe you're walking while you are listening to me. And there is no good position. In fact, your awareness does not only depend on what position you are taking right now. So this experience is the first of this meditation and is aimed to give you a sense of this reconnection with your body's needs and your mind's needs. And each one of us is different. Really feel in your body that you are ready to receive the space that this position is giving to you. The fluidity, the lightness, and a great sense of ease. You don't have to do any effort to do that. You don't have to change You are just like you are right here, right now, with anything that happens inside of your body. That is to say, tensions, but also places of relief, micro movements, places of stillness. And you can feel the comfort, even with all these events inside of you, that can also manifest in a micro form. Maybe you think that I'm comfortable, there's no problem with that, so what should I do right now? What is the purpose of this meditation? Well, remember that each time you really get awareness from your comfort, it helps your mind to build new neural pathways and to ensure that it's safe to feel comfortable. It's so safe that it gives you this sense of freedom, of true liberty, from which you will express and take place into this world just like you are, without forcing yourself. So now I invite you to a second experience. First, allow yourself to follow your breath, just like it is right now. You don't need me to do that. You don't need to have a rhythm to follow. Just let yourself be carried by your breath. Feel your body moving while you are breathing in and breathing out. And stay gently with that. Just feeling that your body knows how to create some comfort inside of you, even in the midst of turbulences and storms. This inner wisdom of the body is always there for you. So take the time to really be with your breath and find your comfort, your own definition of comfort with your breath right here and right now. And sometimes it's so easy, so why can't we always be comfortable in life? Think of a situation where you felt really uncomfortable in your body or in your mind with other people. Maybe you were feeling at ease, you felt annoyed, embarrassed. You felt constrictions, you felt tightness in your body. Whatever the signs were, take a few seconds to remember, to inform your body how this experience was. What were your sensations? What were your thoughts? What were your movements, or the absence of movements, or maybe feeling some numbness? This is not aimed to make you feel painful. It's not dangerous. You are working from your place of comfort, but just trying to observe what happened before. And right now, I invite you to give your body, from the image or the thought of this body in this experience of uncomfortable position, give your body some spacious place, some relief. Give yourself attention. Give yourself love. You can use your imagination. You can visualize. You can tell yourself words mentally or speak out loud. Use your own way to create some comfort for this picture of you in an uncomfortable situation. And just be sure your body knows how to do this. Put the intention and make the experience. And this is how you feel right now. Maybe more spacious, maybe a bit relieved, because you know that here and now, in this meditation, you are safe, there is no danger. Each time you go back into life and you feel that there is less easiness in your body, in your mind, just reconnect to these few moments of experience where you felt that you were free, to anchor in yourself this comfort. Say the words you want to say from this place. Do the movements you want to make from this place. Allow yourself to suppress any constriction, to make yourself completely at ease. Be the queen, be the king, be the god or the goddess that is really empowering themselves through their bodies just by installing this sensation of true comfort. Let the spaciousness expand. Let your face, let your body express whatever they want right now. Open your eyes if they were closed. Move just like you want. Smile if you want. Sing if you want. Say words of gratitude and self-love to yourself. Thank your body. Thank yourself for taking this time. I hope this experience was soothing to you, relaxing. I hope that it gave you a sense of freedom and that it showed you that you can really empower yourself and be more free by respecting your own comfort zone. If you want to hear more tracks about self-healing and self-love, I invite you to follow me and discover my other tracks on Insight Timer. Thanks for listening. Take care. See you soon.